a touch to it now. God bless.
Let's look at the tail of the tape. We've got Abdul Kahaf in the blue corner, 21 years of age, 178 centimeters in terms of height. His style is MMA, and he locks on with Digambar Singh Rawat in the red corner, 26 years of age, and has a 5 centimeter height advantage. Well, that's not the reach advantage, that's the height advantage. And the action begins.
First and foremost, you can see the size disparity between these two fighters, and great strategy by Abdul by pushing him up against the cage. We talked about how he needs to close the distance and avoid the power strikes, and this is the best time to do it because they're both dry, they're both fresh, they're not sweating yet. So his grip on his opponent is far better, and this is the best time to push him up against the fence when they're both dry and fresh.
Well, that's really intelligent of Abdul Kahaf to start grappling in round number 1, close the distance, and push Digambar against the cage.
He didn't give him a chance to even think about what happened, and Abdul just ran at him. He ran at him, closed the distance, and is pushing him up against the cage.
Another intelligent thing that Abdul has done is he has pushed Digambar in his corner. He's listening to his corner and executing. He's translating the strategy into action.
Digambar's got a good body lock on him, but good hips so far by Digambar Singh Rawat. Sorry, Abdul has a body lock on him.
Abdul speaking to coach Jitesh of ICSA, right in his corner.
Look at the way.
I mean, lucky is the word when you make your pro debut at MFN, and you've got Mark Goddard. Oh man, you've got Mark Goddard in the center.
Good hips from Digambar in the black trunks, defending that takedown beautifully from Abdul, and now gets the underhook. And he's going to look to turn.
Double change.
Oh, watch out for the knee. What? Oh, just for a second there, he thought about a knee. Hang on. Referee Mark Goddard pushing them apart and start resetting the action. Here we go. Let's see how fast Abdul tries to close the distance.
Throws him 2 jabs. Digambar returns with a right.
Digambar is looking nicely kicked there.
Oh!
Catches him coming in. Beautiful straight left. Ground and pound. It's over.
Oh,
it's over. It's over. It's over. Wow!
Oh,
he's out. He's out on his feet. It's over.
All right. The hype is real.
Referee Mark Goddard gave him every opportunity. Mark Goddard gave him every opportunity to recover, and the minute he caught him coming in with that counter right.
If you ask me, that fight was supposed to be stopped a long time
Lightweights,
ago.
ladies and gentlemen. We've got the best prospect here.
You know, that fight could have been stopped after the first punch, even the second or the third. But the referee gave him every chance. And like Rahul is screaming on top of his lungs that the hype is real.
Hype is real. You know, the hype is real. We have the best prospect. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, the day this gentleman goes to the international stage, representing India, representing MFN, we're going to get
Let's watch that.
supreme level.
He's waded in with his hands low, stepped straight into that right hook, and then the ground and pound. You could see his hand. He was still posturing up. The referee gave him all chances to recover, but then boom, that 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the end. And that's exactly when the referee stepped in and called it. He gave him every chance.
This is Digambar terror now. You know, this guy brings in a lot of terror. He literally went into Abdul's corner, smashed him, knocked him out. I mean, that's the kind of spirit, fighting spirit the fighters have nowadays. That's the new crop.
Incredible.
Great
Jason.
fight, amazing fight. No shortage of fireworks in this one, but if you ask me, a little late stop, brother.
I mean, look, that's, according to me, he was still posturing up. And when you're posting up, a lot of fighters would complain saying, you didn't give me a chance.
It's a great fight, not taking anything away from
No,
the win.
I know.
Honestly, it was a great fight, good stoppage.
Man, that's our job,
Everyone's
mate.
got an opinion, right?
Exactly, that's our job. But fantastic fight and great sportsmanship now between the two fighters. A little bit of disappointment, but let's quickly go to the decision with Jared Kyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, ref Mark Goddard called a stop to the fight after 2 minutes and 1 second of round 1, declaring the winner by knockout, Digambar Singh Rawat.
Okay.
बस 5 मिनट पहले, इनफैक्ट नहीं 2 मिनट्स पहले, जरा यहां आ जाओ सर, आपके कोई दोस्त थे जो यहां पे आपको बुला रहे थे, इधर देखा उन्होंने, उधर देखा, नाम उनका नीरज था, मैम को बोला कि ये कब होगा आप दोनों का मिलन, क्या लग रहा है आपको?
मिलन अभी आधा अधूरा है लगता है मिलन अभी आधा अधूरा है, कर लेंगे पूरा जब भी मौका मिलेगा।
आधा अधूरा तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये फाइट भी मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे आप बस उठ गए और मार दिया और खत्म कर दी बात, मतलब पसीने भी नहीं है बॉडी पर। कैसा रहा ये फाइट आपके लिए, इजी था?
इसी अब डिपेंड करता है, अगर आगे वाले में स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा है तो हमें अपने दिमाग से काम लेना पड़ेगा। आगे वाला अग्रेसिव खेलेगा, हम भी अग्रेसिव खेलेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं नुकसान दोनों को होगा। तो बस इस काम 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 एक काफ़ी है नॉकआउट करने के लिए, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए हमको, रश वगैरह। 5 मिनट में बस 10 सेकेंड, बस ये था गलती नहीं करनी, जहाँ गलती करी वहाँ खत्म
तो बात हो गई है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे जो चैलेंज आपको ठोक के गए हैं, हम लोग बाद में एक अलग कॉन्फ्रेंस कर लेंगे आयशा मैम और कृष्णा मैम के साथ, आप दोनों के साथ में, और देखते हैं शायद MFN 16 में ये देखने को मिल जाए। तो दिगंबर सिंह रावत के लिए तालियां हो जाए लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, व्हाट अ फाइट एंड अ नॉकआउट।
सो थैंक यू MFN फॉर गिविंग एवरी फाइटर अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्योंकि
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? हाँ।
So thank you very much. Thank you every coach, Coach Vishu, Coach Angad sir, or Coach Carlos. So and my sparring partners, Connors Mans, and my team Mutants. So thank you everyone, and thank you all supporters, गाँव वाले भाइयों. Let's go.
That was brilliant. It's set up nicely for the next one as well. Maybe we're going to see Neeraj versus Digambar, but right now over to the comms.